Police officer found guilty of deadly conduct in a 2019 police shooting may learn his sentence next week. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jennifer Sanders.
And I'm Daniel Muddy. And Christopher Taylor shot and killed Maurice Da Silva. Taylor's sentencing hearing continued today. His attorneys maintain that Taylor acted in self-defense. Prosecutors argued Da Silva was undergoing a mental health episode and police did not need to shoot him.
KXAN's Brianna Hollis was in court as defense attorneys called witnesses today. Bree?
So today was a short day. There were 3 witnesses and everything wrapped up around noon. Some of this morning's discourse was about the long-term impacts the results of this trial could have. Before we get into those conversations, though, let's take a look at the body camera video this case hinges on. This confrontation of Maurice Da Silva in a common area of his downtown condo landed Officer Christopher Taylor with a conviction for deadly conduct, a crime that holds a punishment of 2 to 10 years. Probation is possible if the individual has no prior convictions. As Taylor's sentencing hearing continued Monday, Bruce Mills, the former interim assistant city manager over public safety, says he didn't see anything wrong with the officer's response.
When the elevator doors opened, did you identify any action on the part of Chris Taylor or any other officer that you would say violates best practices in law enforcement?
No, sir, I did not.
This line of questioning opened the doors to address a scope wider than the confines of this case itself.
The broader issue that this case deals with is what is the future of Austin Police Department going to look like, because Chris Taylor's been convicted for doing nothing more than following his training.
Do you think that this jury verdict is sufficient to communicate a message to the Austin Police Department to change the manner in which officers are either trained or behaved? What do you think?
That wouldn't be what I would take from that. No, it wouldn't be my takeaway that the expectation would be that the training is going to change as a result of the jury's verdict.
As I mentioned, 2 other witnesses testified today. One was a Texas State professor who the DA's office had actually previously called as a potential expert witness when they first brought the Da Silva case to a grand jury. The other witness was Taylor's former landlord and now close friend. Testimony will continue tomorrow, and then it will pick back up again the Tuesday after Thanksgiving. Jen, Daniel.